Fani Willis loses her bid in the Trump case. This is huge news, great news for Donald Trump and against Fani Willis. Welcome to John Mike Keene. I got this article here. A Fulton County judge has ruled against District Attorney Fani Willis in her attempt to overturn subpoenas. The Georgia Senate Special Committee has sought to compel Willis to testify and produce documents related to allegations of misconduct during her prosecution of President Donald Trump and others. In previous proceedings, the court ruled in favor of the Senate committee regarding subpoena power and found Willis's claim of attorney-client privilege and work product privilege to be deficient. So she said she had special reasons why you can't have those documents, and these documents are going to directly tie her probably to Nancy Pelosi coordinating things. The subpoenas were issued in August of 24, but Willis did not appear for a scheduled hearing in September. In response, the committee moved to enforce the subpoenas, prompting Willis to seek a permanent injunction against them. Judge Ingram ruled that allowing recipients to litigate subpoenas until the General Assembly reconstitutes would create an absurd precedent. The judge stated that if the compliance depended on the timing of subpoenas, it could lead to lost evidence and inefficiency. Well, for sure lost evidence, because she'd make sure that they lost it. Ingram stated that this court disagrees, adding, if every time a subpoena is issued by a special committee, a recipient can simply litigate its validity and enforcement until the General Assembly reconstitutes, then they have to start over. This would be an absurd result indeed. So she's obstructing justice, Ingram wrote. This could and would result in lost evidence, fading memories, and general inefficiency, adding, moreover, suppose the production of documents were ongoing during the transition from one term to another. Would everyone simply have to start over? This cannot, in good conscience, facilitate such a result. Willis has also challenged the subpoenas on procedural grounds, arguing that they are overbroad and violate legally recognized privileges. Ingram ordered Willis to clarify her objections regarding attorney-client privilege, work product privilege, law enforcement privilege by March 12th. So that's coming right up by tomorrow. Ingram asked, here, who is the attorney? Who is the client? Moreover, the communication must have been made for the purpose of getting or giving legal advice. How does that apply here? These are questions that the petitioner needs to answer, or else abandon her objection to these requests on the basis of attorney-client privilege. So they've got her. We've got Fani Willis. She's going to have to cough up those emails. And they found, remember, they've got 212 documents between her and the White House that they're trying to get at. And this is her just dragging her feet. She's guilty and she's going down. I'm John Mike Keene. What do you think?